for the beach season, today we will share with you this project idea. Take a look at this video where I show you this amazing embroidery hack on Welcome. Let's see!
Today's design is a scarlet macaw. Open your files on Welcome. Start by tracing each one of the colors using fusion fill and change to tatami thread. Continue with each one of the colors. After selecting all the objects, we are going to apply the following values. On the right panel, select underlay and set the next parameters. Type tatami, spacing 3 mm, length 4 mm, angle 90 degrees. Backstitch, select the middle option. Margins 10.35 mm. And on the second underlay option, type edge run, length 2 mm. Select very long length. Mean length 10.40 mm. Chord gap 10.05 mm. Margins 10.50 mm. And select the full compensation and will be 0.35 mm. At the end, adjust the thread angle if needed and order the jump threads. Let's move on to the machine. We're using the 12 inches frame. On the touch panel, select your design, the thread colors, the frame, and press Start Embroidery. This is the final product. We hope this video has been helpful. If you have a comment or question, please let us know in the comment section below.
Thank you for watching this video. My name is Caroline.